Hi everyone, I'm Kata, and as you already used to it, Eniku is here with us today. Hi Eniku.
Hi Kata. Hi everyone.
In today's video, we will show you how to set up the light emitting properties of materials. For example, how to make digital screen look realistic. We will demonstrate this in a small office space. Let's get started.
First, let's take a look at the difference between the two render images shown here. On the left, I used emissive material for the screens, while on the right, I used general material.
The difference is really noticeable. Let's see how you did it.
If we have furnished the space, in this case I designed a home office, we can select the object whose screen we want to adjust and choose the Find Material. Then in the render styles, change from general to real emissive surface. Set the light intensity per meter to 50 in case of the TV.
What happens if we set this value too high?
The screen will shine very brightly and it might outshine the render. I will show later an example of this highlight, what to watch out for.
Okay, so that's all we need to set up?
Exactly, it's super quick. I'll apply the same settings to the laptops. I will choose Find Material, Real Emissive, and this time I will set it to 100. Since both laptops share the same material, they will be adjusted simultaneously. And just like that, we are done. I will open the two renders again so we can see the difference.
It's amazing how much of difference you can achieve with just a few clicks. Now let's look at the details to consider when using emissive materials.
For example, one question that often comes up is what happens if we set the luminance per meter value too high. As an example, I will increase this number to 100 and for the laptops 500. And let's look at the render where these settings are set. Here you can see the difference between the previous and current settings.
Oh, this is really distracting.
Exactly, and in an interior render, we don't want the monitor to stand out this much. Instead, we want to see it as part of the room, realistically glowing but not outshining.
What else is important to keep in mind?
It's crucial to consider the other light sources placed in the room and the render settings used. Set up a good view that clearly shows everything you want to display. Then start the render. Adjust the desired resolution and enable show lamp lights, otherwise the material will lose its emissive properties. You can set the sunlight under date and time, where you can control the direction and intensity of the light entering the room.
I guess these settings differ from project to project and from room to room.
Yes, since different rooms have different orientations and lighting.
So it's worth trying multiple settings for each render to find the most realistic result in the end.
Definitely, and the result speaks for itself. To summarize, all you need to do is change the render style to emissive in the material search settings and adjust the luminance per meter. After that, it's just a matter of perfecting your render settings and you are all set.
So if you keep these points in mind, I'm sure you will create amazing projects. We wish you good work and we say now goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.